you come look.
What?
I don't know. I need you to go look and see what it is.
What?
I don't know. It's funny. I need you to go look.
What's the prize?
I don't know.
You can look what Easter Bunny gave me more eggs.
Whoa.
3 more.
Kieran, what's this?
He gave me a bouncy ball.
Look next to it. On the floor. Straight. In front of you. Other way.
What's the thing with wheels?
Other, behind you.
Look.
Kieran.
Look.
What is that?
Look. You have a new tricycle?
New bike. You must have been a very good boy for Easter Bunny.
Hey, my fur leg. See what these are in these. More candy?
No way.
I think so. Candy again. That's weird.
Wow, the Easter Bunny brought some neat things. Lots of cool stuff.
They just gave me little chocolate eggs. Where's little chocolate
Chocolate
eggs?
eggs inside the egg. That's silly.
Don't take it. You right? Ooh, that's for Allison.
Yeah.
Mm.
And these are for me.
Yeah. You want to take it out and open it?
Even he gave me Diego 2 little bouncy balls. Now I have 3, but even had 1.
Okay.
So I got. Look what I got.
No, that's for Grandma. That's Grandma's basket. Can you give it to Grandma?
Yeah.
No, the whole basket.
Daddy, come and look on the table. Easter Bunny cake.